We don't need more digital currency. We already have digital currency. It's called the US dollar, it's called the euro, it's called the yen. They're all digital right
Previously,
now.
you have seen the SEC, the Securities Exchange Commission, and the federal government going against cryptocurrency. Now, this could have to do with several reasons. Most importantly, it could have to do with central bank digital currencies being issued soon by the government. We previously saw that SEC Chair Gensler doubts the need for more digital currency. He took a swing at cryptocurrency and other digital tokens, implying that they're essentially unnecessary. In quotes, we already have digital currency. It's called the US dollar, it's called the euro, or it's called the yen. They're all digital now. And just like that, as people started to get out of crypto in a panic, the sentiment has switched. And the International Monetary Fund says countries banning crypto may not be effective in the long run. What is going on, guys? Sachs here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we have a lot of stuff to go over with crypto. And by the end of this video, I'm going over 4 different things that I am loading up on. Some on the weekend and some when the market opens, because we do have some stocks to talk about as well. And as many of you know, you can't buy on the weekend. So without further ado, guys, please hit the like button. It helps me out. It gets YouTube to push the algorithm out to more people. Also, hit the like button, drop a comment down below, and if we get to 1,000 likes on this video, I will be giving away some of the 2 stocks that I will be loading up on Monday. All you have to do is make sure you're liked and commented under the video. Now, as the sentiment has changed, I've noticed something very, very weird happening. Investment firm Valkyrie files for spot Bitcoin ETF. $1.5 trillion asset manager reactivates Bitcoin ETF filing. MasterCard files trademark application to develop crypto and blockchain software. BlackRock files for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Citadel, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab launched new crypto exchange platform EDX Markets. And just in, $87 billion asset manager WisdomTree files for spot Bitcoin ETF. Plus, Germany's $1.4 trillion asset manager Deutsche Bank applies for regulatory license to operate crypto custody service. Now, I saw this on June 21st as more and more entities decided that they wanted to jump into the crypto markets. Why? As the government says this is bad, you see insiders that have been tied together with the government, the higher ups on Wall Street, start jumping into crypto. This is to get retail out, get retail in late so that they all profit off of us. But the shift has not started. It is still starting, and that is exactly why you have to watch this video now so you guys can get in early. Following this up, June 22nd, I saw more happen over on Twitter. $5 trillion French asset manager Casey's to offer crypto custody services. And the SEC approves the first leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF. So the SEC basically just contradicted themselves. And Crypto.com gains regulatory license to provide crypto services in Spain, while presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says he will ensure we have policies that support Bitcoin and the freedom to transact. And a little sprinkle on top, Belgium orders Binance to seize crypto services in the country. Whether that's because of the lawsuit with Binance against the SEC, or whether that's because they want to start their own thing up. You guys let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. Now, do you guys believe in central bank digital currencies, or do you believe in cryptos? There's one thing to note about crypto. There's meme coins, there's cryptos that don't catch at all, and there's cryptos that you just must get into if you don't want to miss out on the train, just like the people who bought Bitcoin very, very early. Now, I want to disclose right now, Dogecoin, SHIB, those are retail coins. Yes, Elon Musk is tied to Dogecoin, but overall, these are pump coins. They don't necessarily have a strong value behind them. Per se, if there was absolutely no news, absolutely no catalyst, you wouldn't see buying pressure in SHIB or Dogecoin. However, over on the big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you don't need catalysts to happen for those prices to slowly scale up, because it actually has value. It could be the next big thing in the future, okay? And people may have told you that you are late to get into Bitcoin because they got in at this price and now they are millionaire, but that is exactly not it. In fact, if you take the algorithm over on Bitcoin, this is what it will show over the next couple of years when Bitcoin does decide to rise and beat these paper currencies and potentially be the hedge against central bank digital currencies. And central bank digital currencies may have full control over you, as most cryptos are actually unregulated. Now, before I get into the 4 things that I am loading up on Monday, guys, make sure to do this today before June is over. Sign up using my link and make a deposit for Moomoo. It takes 2 minutes out of your day to do so. You're getting up to 17 free stocks, a free Tesla stock, a free Google stock, a guaranteed free C3 AI stock when you deposit $100, plus a $100 cash coupon sent back to your account that you can withdraw. So it's $100 straight All you have to do is sign up using my link and make sure to look at the certain thresholds for deposits, and you will get those benefits, guys. It is well worth it. Plus, it's honestly a good platform to use. They give you access to free level 2 order book data, trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and a customizable earnings calendar and more. So thank you, Mumu, for letting my audience get these benefits. Also, guys, before we move on, make sure to pop in the Discord. I'm in there on the daily. It is well worth it. We have options trading alerts in there, and make sure you surround yourself with people who like the same thing as you, which is talking stocks and making money all day long, day in and day out. Both of those links are right at the top of the description, as well as pinned in the top of comments. Now, I will be jumping into 2 cryptos and 2 stocks only. The first, of course, is Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin recently sold off from the peak November 9th of 2021 and has been selling off since, recently reaching a bottom about November 9th of 2022. So exactly 1 full year of downtrend. This was a coordinated timed sell-off with the algorithms for Bitcoin. 1 exact year from November 9th to November 9th for Bitcoin, and has slowly been scaling up. Now, if you take a look at November 9th of 2020, when it started scaling up, Bitcoin eventually scaled up 376% for that next year. Currently down 55% and was down up to 76%. It broke out of the 236 fib retracement and is trading right in the center of it. If it comes back down and retests 28,500, I wouldn't be surprised before scaling up and fighting that next fib level, which essentially will give Bitcoin a breakout, which is anything above 36,000. I like it where it's at. And the next crypto we are looking at, of course, is Ethereum. These are the top 2 cryptos that I think will stay around and I think will last, except Ethereum is following Bitcoin and has not broke out of the 236 fib retracement level just yet. It is fighting it right now, and I think Ethereum Classic is a little bit later than Bitcoin. It's trailing a little bit behind. However, Ethereum Classic, if you don't have enough to afford a lot of Bitcoin, I think Ethereum Classic will make the same percentage gains as Bitcoin. Overall, it wouldn't really matter which one you get into. I decided to load up on both just in case something does happen. It is always good to diversify. Now, the next level for Ethereum would be at 2,455, which is the next fib level. Of course, it is fighting the level right around 18,950 or 19th overall for Ethereum Classic. Once it breaks over that, a strong break, I would watch that next level and then watch it scale back up to the upside. Same exact algorithm, same exact selling period from November 9th, except Ethereum reached a low much sooner than Bitcoin and slowly started to grind up. So like I said, it's delayed. So it reached a low faster, but now when it scales up following Bitcoin, it's going to take even longer. Now, the 2 stocks we are going to jump into. The first one is ticker symbol MARA, Marathon Digital Holding, or MARA, currently trading at $12.71. Breaking out of this rising wedge or just getting another retest. It depends which way you look at it. And I think it has a great chance to scale back up to the 236 fib level right around $22 over the next couple of weeks. It was up 7.44% on Friday, and this thing just has been a monster. It has been doing extremely well, and it trades very similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum, except it lags even more, which is even better because Bitcoin hit a bottom November 9th, and then Mara hit a bottom December 23rd. So you could say, okay, Mara is going to sell off a little bit further, or you could say Bitcoin has been scaling up, Mara is going to gap up. This thing happens to trail back way later, but it also does follow Bitcoin and Ethereum algorithms. It is a blockchain stock. So in my opinion, this is a beautiful play. I will be adding to this on Monday. And Riot, ticker symbol RIOT, currently trading at $11.60, up 3.2% on Friday. Not even close to this fib level at the 236 yet. I would watch $21.55 for Riot to track up to over the next couple of weeks. Right now, it does have a resistance level. If it does gap up Monday, I would watch the $15 range for Riot to potentially get some resistance on. But same thing goes. Hit the low with Mara way later than Bitcoin and Ethereum, and is slowly scaling up with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin recently gapped up. I'm expecting the same thing happen to Ethereum, then Mara and Riot following that. And these should be some easy plays, some easy gains, more so for long-term hold. Overall, guys, this is what I got for you for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Make sure to subscribe on your way out. Hit the like button. Check those links under the video. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.